The Biden administration is now warning that Republicans may push for a nationwide abortion ban at 15 weeks. You know, supporters and critics of Georgia's so-called heartbeat law have 21 days to plead their case as a federal court considers whether to allow the law to take full effect now that the Supreme Court has overturned Roe v. Wade. The Attorney General's office just shared that order with 11 Alive, directing the state and the parties suing Georgia to file paperwork by mid-July. 11 Alive's Caitlin Ross is breaking down what it means for people right here and now.
Abortion is still currently legal in Georgia. While the state legislature passed one of the most restrictive abortion bans in the country in 2019, that law has been held up in court for the last 3 years. Now the state attorney general's office is asking the court to clear the way for that law to be enforced.
Right now, that law is blocked. And so it has not gone into effect in Georgia. So if you need to access abortion care, you can still do so as you normally would.
Planned Parenthood's Lauren Frazier says they're still fighting to keep abortion care legal, safe, and accessible in the Southeast. Experts say it's all but certain the courts will decide HB 481, known as the Heartbeat Bill, is now constitutional.
It is a law which has already been passed, and it is a Georgia law.
So what will change? Right now, abortion is legal in Georgia until 20 weeks of pregnancy. There are 13 abortion clinics in the state where people can seek care. If the courts rule in favor of the state of Georgia and the new law takes effect, abortion will be prohibited after a fetal heartbeat is detected. There are exceptions in cases of rape, incest, if the pregnancy would cause harm to the mother, or if the fetus is not viable. The new law also extends personhood status to fetuses, meaning they can be claimed on state income tax, included in census data, would become eligible for child support payments, and pregnant people would be allowed to drive in the HOV lane. Attorney Drew Beal and his co-counsel, Mylinda Brown, expect an avalanche of court cases to follow, no matter what ruling comes down.
We're in a state of influx. We don't necessarily know exactly what's going to happen. I think in the future we are going to see a lot of laws, especially here in Georgia, that are going to try to walk up to the line and go as far as they can, and it's going to have a lot of litigation.
The experts expect the 11th Circuit Court will rule sometime in July or August on whether or not that bill can go into effect. If it does, many expect even more restrictive bills to be filed limiting abortion access in the next legislative session.
Good information. Thank you, Caitlin.